Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're not receiving your Marcus verification code, here's how to fix it. First of all, confirm that your registered phone number or email is correct. Double check, triple check until you put in the correct one. After that, check your mobile signal or Wi-Fi connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data if needed. If not, make sure that you're connected to a stable internet so your app operates smoothly. Then, if you're using email, then try checking your spam or junk. Click on the three-line option in the top left, then check your spam and your trash. Sometimes it might end up in there. After that, if the code still does not arrive, you will have to contact the Marcus support app to confirm no issue on their end. Then, verification codes usually arrive within a minute if your contact info is correct, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.